This video is provided strictly for informational purposes only and should not be interpreted as financial or investment advice in any capacity. It is essential that you always conduct your own thorough and diligent research before making any investment decisions whatsoever. Have you ever stopped to wonder about the expansive world that lies beyond Bitcoin in the cryptocurrency universe? Welcome to the intriguing and dynamic realm of altcoins, which represent a vast universe of digital currencies beyond Bitcoin, each offering diverse possibilities, innovative features, and unique opportunities for investors seeking alternatives. Altcoins are defined as all cryptocurrencies other than Bitcoin, encompassing a wide array from Ethereum, renowned for its smart contract platform, to Solana, celebrated for its lightning-fast transaction speeds. These digital assets are engineered to solve specific problems in the blockchain ecosystem or deliver distinctive functionalities that differentiate them from Bitcoin's primary store of value role. A significant number of investors are powerfully attracted to altcoins because of their remarkable potential for explosive growth, frequently surpassing the performance of traditional investments like stocks and bonds, and even outpacing Bitcoin during intense bull markets when market sentiment is overwhelmingly positive. But what exactly fuels this surging interest in altcoins? It stems from the compelling promise of groundbreaking innovation, where altcoins serve as the foundational technology powering decentralized finance platforms known as DeFi, non-fungible tokens, or NFTs for unique digital collectibles, and a variety of other emerging technologies revolutionizing global finance. Investing in altcoins also enables effective portfolio diversification, allowing you to spread investment risk across a broad spectrum of different digital assets rather than concentrating everything in one area, which can help mitigate the effects of market downturns and potentially lower your overall exposure to cryptocurrency volatility.
Nevertheless, the altcoin market has gained notoriety for its extreme volatility, where prices can dramatically skyrocket to unprecedented highs or crash precipitously to crushing lows all within a matter of hours, paving the way for either monumental gains or utterly devastating losses for participants.
One of the most pressing concerns is the rampant occurrence of scams and rug pulls, deceptive practices wherein scrupulous developers promote a promising project to attract funds from eager investors, only to suddenly withdraw liquidity and abandon the initiative, rendering the tokens completely worthless overnight. Regulatory risks cast a long shadow over altcoins as well, with governments across the globe still actively figuring out how to classify, oversee, and integrate these digital assets into existing financial frameworks, a process that could profoundly influence their legitimacy, value, and future viability. On top of that, many altcoins face challenges with low liquidity, which means attempting to buy or sell substantial amounts can lead to massive price impacts due to thin order books, complicating execution of trades and heightening the risk during periods of high market stress. So, when weighing all these elements, is investing in altcoins genuinely worth pursuing? The determination largely depends on your individual risk tolerance, your carefully crafted investment strategy, and your readiness to dive into this unpredictable yet opportunity-rich landscape. Critical success factors include mastering market timing to enter and exit positions optimally, committing to thorough research, commonly known as DYR, or do your own research, and employing solid risk management techniques to protect your principal from unforeseen downturns. For those investors who maintain a high tolerance for risk and possess a deep, nuanced understanding of blockchain technology and market dynamics, altcoins can unlock unparalleled opportunities for exponential growth and meaningful participation in the evolving digital economy. However, adopting a cautious and disciplined approach remains paramount in this space. Never invest more money than you can absolutely afford to lose entirely without impacting your financial stability, and always prioritize stringent security practices to safeguard your assets. Ultimately, the altcoin market embodies a classic double-edged sword, dangling the prospect of immense rewards alongside substantial pitfalls for the unprepared. Truly comprehending both the exhilarating potential upsides and the formidable risks is the key to navigating it effectively. This video is intended solely for informational purposes and does not qualify as financial or investment advice under any circumstances. Please consult with qualified financial professionals and perform your own research before making any investment decisions.
If you want more crypto updates, market analysis, and breaking news, hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications.